This is the Umidigi A9 Pro, and during this pandemic, this could be an ultimate lifesaver. How? Let's find out. The Umidigi A9 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch 2340 by 1080 pixels Full HD display with a water drop notch, which translates into an immersive viewing experience. To the back, it has a camera bump housing the quad camera setup, LED flash and a thermal sensor, more on that later. It also has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor which should make a comeback as face unlock won't work well with a mask on. Now talking about the specifications, the A9 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor coupled with a Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now this chip is often compared with the Snapdragon 660, which is lower mid-range chip. The A9 Pro comes in two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB storage, and the other one with a 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. This means that the A9 Pro will have a medium processing power but a faster and better memory management. Now getting into the camera department, the A9 Pro comes with a quad camera setup, a 48MP f1.8 main camera with a Sony sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide camera with a 120° field of view, a 5MP depth sensor and a 5MP macro camera. To the front, A9 Pro has a 24MP f2.0 selfie camera with a Sony sensor. Both the front and back cameras are able to record 1080p at 30fps. Apart from the cameras, the camera bump also houses a thermal sensor, which uses infrared waves to detect body temperature. This is the lifesaver that I was talking about. See, one of the prime symptoms of COVID-19 is fever and higher body temperature. With the help of this thermal sensor in the A9 Pro, you will be able to detect body temperatures of people near you and thereby avoid any chance of getting in contact with a potential COVID patient, which is truly a lifesaver. Some other features in the Umidigi A9 Pro are USB Type-C, dual SIM slot, microSD card slot, rear fingerprint sensor, dual 4G LTE, 5GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi display, and an independent shortcut key. The A9 Pro comes with a 4150 mAh battery, which is enough for a full day of usage. The A9 Pro also comes in two color variants, black and forest green, and it provides a stock Android experience with Android 10 out of the box. Although the A9 Pro do not excel in a particular area, but it is an all-rounder considering the nice display, good battery life, better RAM and storage, good camera setup, and all this in a price point of $120. If you would like to win an Umidigi A9 Pro, there is a giveaway going on. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and click the giveaway link in the description below. With that being said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.